Coming to you live, Bud Dog Customs. Man, boy, we got some rust in this one. Had to put that piece in. Had to weld that triangle in. Had to weld a piece there. Whole floor pan. They don't make this, so I made that piece and then that piece. Fixed that part. This side, I still got to do more with that when I put that other piece in. Had to make that. Had to make that piece right there wrap around that corner because that was a funny transition right there. That piece right there, I'm welding them two pieces in now. Still got to cut that out and weld a scab in the center right there. That's foam right there, but there's little rust holes right there. I got to cut that out. Same on the other side. When I had to make these pieces right here, because all that was in a previous video. Having to cut these pieces out right here and weld new pieces in. Good thing that cab corner come up to right here. So all that's new. Got to replace a couple of pieces right here. This is bad. Lord, I'm gonna quit bidding trucks. Good. There's more and more and more rust. That's dust, not a dent. Gotta put more acid on this and get that rust off. Had to make all that. That was in a previous video. Rocker panels was good. That's surprising. Had to make that big piece right there and that one. Still got to address that rust hole. No, that's not a rust hole. That's a hole. A drilled hole. But I'm going to dress that up and clean it up some. Just two little pin holes right there I got to weld up. Run out of gas. I got to go get me some more gas. Man, this thing has some rust up in it. Fix that. Jeez. Yep. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. That was the first truck I ever done. Was a 77 and put an 80s body on it, 87 body. First went to the fuel injection and then went to a 6.0. Well, now that it's a friend's truck. Went to the 6.0, had 40s on it. He let it down to a 4-inch lift. I never let them down. Lord, take them up. Take them up. Be working on that soon if I can ever get time to work on mine. But, yeah, man. Having to make these little pieces right here with that little bend in it to match that. Yeah, man. But yeah, we're going to get it. Remember, y'all like, subscribe, comment. Rust Repair 101. Later.